Pro Tools Carbon, the most integrated and comprehensive audio production system, is now at your fingertips. Let's take a look at everything you'll get in the box and how to get it all set up. When you first open your Pro Tools Carbon shipping box, you'll want to carefully unpack it and check that all the contents are present and accounted for. These include the Carbon unit itself, the power cable, a Cat6 Ethernet cable, rubber feet for if you plan to use Carbon on your desktop, screws and washers for rack mounting Carbon, a welcome card which includes your Pro Tools software redemption code and your Carbon unit serial number, a warranty claims information card, and a health and safety guide. Let's have a look at how to quickly and easily register your Carbon unit and activate your Pro Tools software and third-party plugins. Before getting started, you'll want to ensure that you have the following items ready: an Avid.com account, an iLok.com account, the iLok License Manager installed, an iLok USB key authorized to your iLok and Avid.com accounts, your Carbon welcome card. You can then choose how you'd like to proceed with your Carbon registration and Pro Tools license redemption, on a computer or via your mobile device. If you're on a computer, log into your Avid.com account using your preferred browser. Once logged in, navigate to the Accounts section of the site. Under the My Products tab, select Register Software with Code. You'll next enter the redemption code found on the back of your welcome card. This code will add your new Pro Tools subscription license and Avid plugins to your Avid account. Your Carbon serial number is automatically paired to this redemption code, so there's no need to enter it during this process. If you're using a mobile smart device, you can scan the QR code on the back of the welcome card and follow the instructions presented to you to register your Carbon unit and your Pro Tools subscription license. If this is your first Pro Tools license, a new Pro Tools 1-year subscription license will be added to your Avid account. However, if you have a current Pro Tools or Pro Tools Ultimate subscription, or a Pro Tools Ultimate Perpetual license with an active software update and support plan, you'll be given the option of extending those subscriptions for an additional year or receiving a separate new Pro Tools 1-year subscription. Upon successful registration of your code, you'll be asked to confirm your iLok ID and your Pro Tools license will be transferred to your iLok account. You can then log into your iLok account via the iLok License Manager and transfer your new Pro Tools and plugin collection assets to your physical iLok. Remember, at the end of your subscription period, you'll want to renew your subscription to continue receiving future updates and features for your Pro Tools software. However, if you choose not to continue, your Pro Tools license will transition to a non-upgradable perpetual license. Additionally, once your Carbon unit is registered, you'll find links and redemption codes for the additional third-party plugins included with Carbon, all available under the Carbon section of your My Avid account. Now that your Carbon unit and your Pro Tools software and plugins are registered and ready to go, it's time to dive into setting up the hardware and using Carbon for the first time. For more information and other videos, visit the Pro Tools Carbon page at avid.com.